2. Remove the brush roll cover. Grab the front handle while pressing the button and pull upwards to remove. It's really easy. Then you can rinse it with water. It is waterproof, the cover itself. And of course, you can remove the roller by yourself if you like to replace the brush roller. Remove the brush roller by grabbing the brush roller tab and pulling it upward. Then remove the brush roller tab using the cleaning tool to remove the hair and debris wrapped around the roller and rinse it with fresh water. Replace the brush roller back in the accessory holder and allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. Because of this, in this set, it contains 2 of the brush rollers. Of course, you can remove hair and debris from the brush roller chamber and the opening with a tissue or a clam cloth. A spare brush roller is provided by as appliance for a convenient replacement. It's really good idea by the brand. Okay, this is the main feature thing, the brush roller. It's the main actor which grabs the dirt from the floor and let it into the tank. Fresh water will dip on the roller, and the fresh water plus the liquid, of course, will clean the floor, and after it will float out to the dirty water tank. So let's get back it in position. We'll place the brush roll by inserting the brush roll and into the right side of the holder. Then lock the pull tab into place by pressing downwards. Here we are. It's really easy to reassemble this brush roller, as you can see. And there's only the brush roller cover back in action. We will take the brush roller cover. Of course, this brush roller cover you can rinse with fresh water, no problem. And when replacing, always latch the brush cover into place to avoid leaking. Get it back in position, job's done. Your brush roller system is reinstalled, ready for new action. And the other will be chill out a little bit until it is really dry. If the dirty water tank or the water inside of the tank reached the max line, the appliance will stop working and show a reminder on the display and place a voice prompt. Pull up the tank lid to empty the DW or DWT. Use the 3-in-1 cleaning tool to remove remaining debris. Rinse the inside of the DWT and place back into the appliance. Take care, maximum line reached. Okay, that's enough. We have to empty the dirty water tank. By pushing it downward, release the dirty water tank and dip it again. Of course, if the filter and the float have been blocked, rinse with water. Remove the filter from the tank lid. Remove the floater and rinse both parts with water. Easy. And of course, you have a HEPA filter. HEPA filter is really awesome because it will rise up your air quality a lot. The HEPA filter, 2 times HEPA filter, that means you can one HEPA filter used inside the device and one you can clean. Grasp the width area on each side of the HEPA and pull upwards. Rinse under running water and it must be completely dry before recombining with the lid of the DWT. A spare HEPA filter is provided in a set. Of course, you can buy them separately, no problem. But you have 2 of them. That means one is in action and one has to clean and one has to dry out a little bit, approximately 24 hours with a little bit of sunshine, baby. That's awesome. After this, you can reinstall it. Job's done with the dirty water tank, DWT. Also, you have a fresh, clean water tank on the upper side. Press the clean water tank release button to remove it from the pillions. Then it's really easy. Open the tank cap and fill with tap water to the maximum line. When deep cleaning is necessary, add 1 bottle cap of the solution to the CWT and tightly close the cap. Only use water under 140 Fahrenheit degrees, that are 60 degrees Celsius. Do not use hot water because of the sealing, etc. After you finish that, so top up the device or top up the water tank, you're able to place the tank back into the pillions. You should hear a click. If don't remove it and then replace it or reattach it. And if you hear a click, this is done correctly and we're ready for action. Oh yeah. So let's disassemble the device. In the event that the product must be returned, we have to disassemble the handle, for example, or if you're going to another location for it, you have to save a little bit space. Press the spring to release the handle with a tool, like a screwdriver, and lift the released handle from the pillions. To assemble the handle itself, insert it into the pillions until you hear a click sound from the above side to the bottom side. Job's done. To disassemble, and of course you have to assemble it again to use it. You have different types of action with your app. You will need the TINECO app, of course. If you have the TINECO app, go into the TINECO app, and after this you can start to dock your pillions with the app. And there is some information on the screen itself. You can see the clean minimum power, maximum power. You have a maximum mode button on the handle. Of course, you have a maximum mode on the screen of your app, of course. Then the battery level is more than 10%. The battery indicator will be illuminated. If the battery is under 10%, the battery indicator will be blinking. If it's off, no power detected or possible battery malfunction, or blinking red, the dirt sensor malfunction or is blocked. If you have an indicator blinking, CWT is empty. Indicator blinking is DWT is full or channel has a blockage. Then you have indicator blinking Brushroll is not installed or it has a blockage too. If it illuminates the Wi-Fi, it has successfully connected. If it's blinking, Wi-Fi is connecting. If it is off, the Wi-Fi symbol is not connected, then you have to connect to a network. And if there is a water drop blinking, the pillions is in need of self-cleaning. This is on the right downside. Then TINECO indicator is blinking. That means during charging. And if it's full charged in 5 minutes, TINECO indicator illuminated. And after 5 minutes, all indicator lights turn off. Job's done. The app is easy to attach, as you can see, and you can see all the information on the screen of your smartphone after connecting these pillions with your app. Really easy and awesome. Of course, you have to create an account on the TINECO side, and of course, you have to enter the vacuum cleaner, the floor 1 and 3, into your Wi-Fi network at home, because it's a smart vacuum floor cleaner. So it's time to clean something at home. I cleaned the dirt reservoir, or it is not dirty, the dirt reservoir, so because it's the first time in use. Then I topped up the fresh water tank with a little bit of the liquid and, of course, with fresh water to the maximum range. It is approximately 60 degrees Celsius warm water. Then I now dock the water tank on top. And now let's start cleaning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.
Auto mode. Max mode. Auto mode. Shutting down. Power off. Charging has commenced. Auto detecting whether to run self-cleaning cycle. Please clean dirty water tank.